All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today on the show, we're going to actually be talking about the 7 best cryptocurrencies. Today on the show, we're going to be talking about the 7 best cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022. We're going to kind of look at all 7 of them. A lot of them you may be familiar with. There may be 1 or 2 on the list that you're like, that's kind of interesting. Also on the 7, we actually listed them. So here we go. We're going to show you the 7 best cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022. Pretty good. Now, also, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yeah, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Now, these 7 that we're going to be talking about, on your radar, there may be 20 or 25, so let's see if these 7 match up for you. All right, over here at US News, 7 of the best cryptocurrencies to buy. And here's what it says. The best cryptocurrencies to invest in now. So over the last 10 years, only 1 year, 2014, we've seen an overall market capitalization of cryptocurrency decline. So 9 years up, 1 year not up. And it's true that the pandemic era has seen different speculations on the crypto atmosphere. Plus, the fraud in digital asset hits an all-time high in 2021. Billions of dollars were lost in the scams and the roll pugs, like the Squid Game token, where scammers shut off the ability to sell their tokens and walk off their own profits. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and talk about let's take a look at the best 7 cryptocurrencies to buy in January 2022. Number 1. Well, you probably could have thought that Bitcoin would be number 1, but it even says Bitcoin is number 1. And a must own for a crypto investor, Bitcoin is far away the largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Is time tested a store of value and is there an asset class. The coin, which turns 13 years old January 3rd, has a total market cap of nearly $900 billion. It accounts for 40% of all the total value of the cryptocurrency market, and it's the only asset with a U.S. exchange traded fund. So here you go. Bitcoin is number 1. And going over to CoinMarketCap, take a look. Bitcoin is number 1. Now, Bitcoin at this particular time is down 12% in the last 7 days, down 3% in the last 24 hours. All right, who do we think number 2 is going to be? Well, you guessed it, Ethereum. Instead, although a second to Bitcoin by market cap, Ethereum, which accounts for about 20% of the overall market, is arguably close to surpassing Bitcoin soon. That's because of the actual function. Aside from being a store value, Ethereum network easily claiming the superlative and the most heavily used blockchain in the world. Smart contracts, non-fungible. So again, Ethereum sits in there at number 2. Now, let's take a look. Ethereum is right here on CoinMarketCap at number 2. And right now, this coin is actually down 14%. This could be a good discount buy. So far, I bet you nobody's surprised out of the top 7, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum's down 14%. Guess what? This could be a good discount buy. You want to take a look at that because in the last 7 days, I always think 12, 15, for sure 20% is a great time to do a discount buy. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. It's pretty interesting so far. Let's see what number 3 and 4 are. All right, number 3 is Solana. With Ethereum, will soon address some of the energy issues plaguing Bitcoin. Solana has addressed one of the biggest issues with Ethereum: transaction fees. The gas fees makes a modest Ethereum transaction financially unfeasible, but Solana fees are a tiny fraction of the ETH fees like Ethereum. Solana was built on the top-notch platform for decentralizing finance in DeFi, which cuts out the financial middleman and traditional financial gatekeepers and institutions like banks, brokers, central exchanges. Launched in 2020, Solana has a small but growing share of the market. All right, Solana's at number 3, and on CoinMarketCap, Solana is actually number 6. Now take a look at this, everybody. Discount buy, alert, alert, alert. 19% down right now. Solana is 20% down, $136.96. All right, next one on the list. This would be number 4, Cardano. Founded in 2017 by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson. Cardano is one of the largest blockchains to successfully run a more efficient, effective proof-of-stake protocol. Foster developing friendly ecosystem for decentralizing applications like DApp. Unlike Ethereum, Cardano has a hard cap on the number of coins that can be ever exist, topping out at 45 billion. Thankfully for the investors, 33.5 billion, or about 74% of the supply, is already in circulation. Meaning that, so 74%, so 26% is still available, meaning the amount of the dilution remaining is both known and relative limits. One of the best cryptocurrencies to buy, Cardano has surged from 22 cents to about $1.30 over the last year. Cardano's number 4, and on CoinMarketCap, Cardano's number 7. Only down 10% right this second, $1.20. I remember the discount buys at like 12, 15, 20%, 10%. We're not quite there yet. But again, Cardano's number 4, everybody. So number 5 is Dogecoin. Yes, Dogecoin is infamous for being a meme-inspired cryptocurrency that began as a joke. Being a meme token is far more indictment in the world of cryptocurrency, where both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu enjoy the top 15 billing in terms of market cap. The reason Dogecoin is one of the best cryptocurrencies to invest in now, Elon Musk is a true believer. Dogecoin in 2021, epic rally, and the Tesla CEO said as much of the podcast in early January, giving in the crypto spheres. And as it says right here, Dogecoin can be in some for some short-term gains coming up. So Dogecoin is actually at number 5, and on CoinMarketCap, Dogecoin is actually at number 12. Dogecoin right now is at 15 cents. It's down slightly, about 11% in the last 7 days. 11, 12, I like 12%. Take a look at Shiba at 15%. Holy cow, discount buy everywhere. All right, going to the next one. All right, this may be the one that surprises y'all. Yearn.finance, YFI. The hottest coin you've ever heard of. Yearn Finance is a 1.4 billion token with some serious volatility. Over the last year, price has fluctuated between 18,000 and 93,000. Now it's trading around 38. Yearn.finance is about the 80th largest coin by market capitalization. It also has a Nobel goal to expand the DeFi arena to less technical investors and users by enabling optimal returns and yield farming. That's pretty interesting. Decentralized finance as a whole is virtually guaranteed to grow over time, but the field is still technically challenging. So the tools the Yearn.finance that promises to onboarding users more easily have promised the future. In a short term, YFI performs quite well in late December and early January, jumping more than 20% while most other cryptos have fell. So Yearn Finance, now this is the one that's a little deeper on the coin market cap. So everything we've talked about so far has been in the top. Dogecoin was number 12. Everything's kind of been in the top, 10 or 12. Well, where does Yearn.finance fall? Right here at number 84. Now, Yearn Finance is actually up almost 5% in the last 7 days. It's trading at around 31,000 right now. So Yearn.finance, YFI, is at 84. You may want to put them on your radar because they're kind of deep on the coin market cap. They are in the top 100, but again, they are number 84. And last of the top 7, and surely not least, Polygon Matic, surging roughly 100-fold over this time. Now it's the top 15 token Matic, which has a 17 billion market cap, is still one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022 kickoff. Polygon has a similar aim as Yearn.finance, but seeks to accomplish mass adoption in a different way. By making blockchains more scalable, the technology intends to scale Ethereum and allow potential infinite dApps to run on top of it. Roughly 72% of Polygon's maximum supply of 10 billion tokens are already in existence. Polygon Matic is actually right there at number 14. Now look at this, everybody. 18% down right this second. Discount buy, ding, 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 18% down. We're looking at that talks about the top 7 cryptocurrencies, and it happens to be a great time that things are down right this second. So there's your top 7 on the screen. Bitcoin number 1, Ethereum number 2, Solana number 3, Cardano number 4, Dogecoin number 5, Yearn.finance number 6, and Polygon number 7. Taking another look here. There's your top 7, everybody. All right. So do us a favor, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. These 7 cryptocurrencies, definitely put them on your radar. There may be a few that you haven't thought about investing. There may be a few you haven't thought about putting on your radar. Those are the top 7 at this particular time. Again, a lot of them are in the top 14. Yearn.finance is down to 84. So, all right, everybody, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video, and we'll see you a little on later on today.